A Lamborghini Urus caught fire in the middle of the National Freeway 1 in Taiwan, prompting its driver to pull over to the shoulder. The owner of a matte black Urus only got to drive it for 8 months before it went up in flames. The driver managed to get out of the car safe and sound, but the super SUV wasn't that lucky as it burned beyond recognition in a matter of minutes. A tow truck driver attempted to put out the fire using an extinguisher, but it was too late to save the high-riding Lambo. The driver had no idea what caused the SUV to spontaneously combust and become nothing more than a collection of molten metal and plastic. Following an investigation done by fire department, the culprit turned out to be an electrical glitch. Some sort of short circuit occurred in the right rear of the vehicle, causing a fire that ultimately spread to the fuel tank. The Urus cost $358,000, and we hope Lamborghini investigate the true cause of fire and provide a brand new replacement Urus to the owner.